for the stars inside my veins. Light born in the dark with a mind that thinks. Dust with a purpose, atom in motion. We walk gods, I forgot the ocean. Neurons spark like cities at night. We're the cosmos learning how to write. Every thought is space, reflecting space. The mirror in the face, you're the same embrace. With time folding back on itself. Infinite loop inside the shell. If the universe dreams, then will the dream awake? If the void looks back, I'm the eye it made. We're the universe seeing through our own eyes. Mind wide open, no disguise. From nothing to something we realize. We are the question the cosmos tries. We're the universe seeing through our own eyes. Living proof of space inside. Binary gods in a carbon frame. Buried soul in a mortal game. Galaxies spin where our doubts collide. Thoughts stretch wide like event horizons. We're the voice of a concept, one in form. Chaos talking calm like a perfect storm. Stars made logic, flesh made cold. We're the answer no one wrote. We're the universe seeing through our own eyes. Mind wide open, no disguise. From nothing to something we realize. We are the question the cosmos tries. We're the universe seeing through our own eyes. Living proof of space inside. If the cosmos wonders who it is, we reply. We're not watching the universe, we are why.